everyone! It's me, Ziggy! Are you ready to get ready for bed with me? Yay! Wait, I can't hear you. I said, are you ready? Yay! That's what I like to hear! Yeah! Okay, first things first. Look in the mirror.
Do you see any dirt? Maybe some spaghetti sauce from dinner? Or mud from the playground?
We can't go to sleep like that. The pillow will get all sticky. Gross!
Let's turn on the warm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just perfect.
Now grab your soap. Rub it together until you see bubbles. Look, I made a bubble beard. Can you make a bubble beard too?
Round and round we go. Scrub the cheeks, scrub the chin, and don't forget the nose. Squeaky clean and bubbly bright.
Rinse it all off. Whoosh!
Much better. My fur feels so soft now. Does your face feel fresh?
Now, show me your teeth. Let me see a big alligator smile. Uh-oh. I see some snacks hiding in there. We need the super scrubber. Open wide. We brush up and down, up and down. Get those front ones shiny. Now reach way back to the hiding spots. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Don't stop yet.
And spit. Phew. Well done.
Check the mirror. Do you see the sparkle? Ding! I see it.
Face is clean. Teeth are sparkling. We are ready for cozy dreams. Great job today, friend. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.